Hello viewers, let's meet the influencing talent Mr. Rana Mudassar. Rana Mudassar is on wheelchair, but due to his passion and hard work, he has made his name in internet and technology. His hard work, determination and never die attitude have led him to reach the new heights. Mr. Rana is the founder and CEO of Empire Litex Digital Marketing Agency, having 20 plus employees and a top rated seller on Fiverr. He is setting an example for everyone through his courageous efforts and shared determination. He wishes to see more people in this field achieve their goals, and if any barrier or obstacle arises, they will cross that difficult phase successfully. So, friends, disability can't change your passion. It never change your attitude. You should learn the lesson that your disability or any weakness can never come against your goals. Have courage and faith, and once you decided to make it, the achievement and success will not far behind.